Okay, this is the week 5 progress video. My name is Mark Moore. This week I worked on 2 different functions and their web pages. First we did the view award page, or the view award page here. So I was able to put dummy information into my sample database and then created this this web page here to display a table that contains the award ID, the award name, the date created, recipient first name, recipient last name, and the recipient's email. We are using EJS to display the web pages to make everything much more simple and loop over the information and everything. So this is that page, and then to view the awards here is the function. So I query the award ID, award type, first name, last name, email, and date in this manner. So the date format, that's the format, the date, and then from award. We as a team also unified the awards given table along with the awards table into one table to make it easier to query them. So this, you have the login, so I can log in here. Oop. 6 ones for that. Look at your rewards and it comes up like this. Now next week I'm going to work on formatting this and making it look much prettier. Another thing I've done this week is design a banner that I can show you in just a sec, but that's the view awards phase. Then there is the create an award for a fellow employee function, which is under the add award. Oh, also the delete awards. So we can also delete awards. So you can look at the awards and you can also delete them. So there was 2 different functions that I made this week for the adding awards and then deleting them once you have them. So here's user view awards and then delete an award also right here. So to delete them. Then creating an award. You can create an award, and it is user add award here. This is the query to see it, and then here's all your award info. So then the web page, user create award, is here. So you have the names of the awards. I believe in the future I'm going to auto load this from a separate database, but that will come later. And then you have all your buttons and your fields to add the new award. Create an award, and here your recipient's first name. I'll just do one for a guy named Jim Carey. Use Carey, yeah. Recipient email, it'll be my own email, I guess. And then create and email. Now we don't have the certificate created yet, but as you can see, this takes you directly to the award that you created. Here's the email, name, and then you can go back to with a confirmation at the top here. Then as you can take a look at the awards, brings up that same thing, and then you can delete it. So here we go, delete. And it deletes. Back to the main menu. So the logo that I designed, I'll have to open this. I forgot to open this. We talked about it as a group. Now we're using collect to coordinate. Let's see, it's up here. Now we talked about a few different designs. This is the design that I came up with, just a rough sketch, and I'm designing it digitally, but I'm learning how to use the application. The Painter Essentials is what I'm using to design it, and so I haven't gotten very far on that. But I did design this basically, and we've talked about other designs as well. Like Samantha suggested something like this, so we'll come up with a few different designs and then decide on the final. So that is it. That is my video for this week.